Every year, small business owners lose hundreds and potentially thousands of dollars from avoidable bookkeeping mistakes. This is not the end of the world, but chances are that money can be used for something else. My name is Kayla Kelly. I run a bookkeeping business, and I'm going to show you 5 of the most common mistakes I've seen and what to do instead so you keep more money in your pocket. Let's say you use the same debit card for office supplies and then grab dinner with your family. At the end of the month, you look at your bank statement and can't remember which charges were business and which were personal. The problem is, at tax time, you either spend hours sorting through these transactions or you miss out on deductions because you don't want to risk claiming something personal. The best way to avoid this is to open a separate business account. That way, everything that happens in that account is for your business, which will save you stress, time, and money when tax season comes around. Mistake number 2, not reconciling monthly. Let's say on QuickBooks, your book balance says $8,000, but your bank balance is $5,000. That difference means that your books aren't accurate. That $3,000 difference could be uncleared checks, duplicate entries, or missing transactions. This can be problematic because you could be making financial decisions based on numbers that aren't real, which could lead to overspending or even bounce payments. The best way to avoid this is to reconcile your accounts every month when your bank statement comes in. Check off what cleared, fix what's missing, and make sure the balance is 0. It only takes about 10 to 15 minutes and ensures everything in QBO, QuickBooks Online, actually happened. Mistake number 3, ignoring receipts and documentation. If you have receipts stuffed in your car, wallet, or a random shoebox, the problem is your receipts aren't organized. So when tax time comes, you either forget what the expense was for or you can't prove it. And without proof, the IRS can deny any deduction. This can leave you paying taxes on more than you need to. The best way to avoid this is, as soon as you get a receipt, like you're having a lunch with a potential client, you get the receipt, snap a quick photo on your phone and upload it into an app. Again, I recommend QuickBooks, but you can also upload it into Expensify or even Google Drive. And this creates a digital copy of your receipt. It keeps it organized and it's easy to search for later. That way, you never lose a deduction just because you lost a piece of paper. Mistake number 4, waiting too long to get help. A lot of business owners will do their books on their own for a couple months, a couple years, and before they know it, things start to get a little messy. Whether they're confused or just avoiding it entirely, things get less and less clean each month to the point where they don't want to look at their books. The problem with this is when tax season rolls around, or you need a loan or a grant or want to pitch something to investors, you're scrambling to clean everything up under pressure. If you're feeling confused or overwhelmed with bookkeeping, it may be time to look into a bookkeeper. Even if you can't hire a bookkeeper full-time, having someone to review your books quarterly or at least right before tax season can save you stress, help you catch errors early, and honestly will probably save you money in the long run. Mistake number 5, not reviewing reports. Most small business owners only look at their numbers once or twice a year, usually right before tax time. The problem is you will miss early warning signs like expenses slowly creeping up or a customer who hasn't paid you yet. By the time you notice, it's already a bigger issue. The best way to avoid this is running a profit and loss and a balance sheet every month. It only takes a minute, and even a quick glance gives you a clear picture of where your business stands. This simple habit helps you stay in control instead of being surprised later. These are the top 5 most common bookkeeping mistakes I see small business owners make. Fixing just one of these will put you ahead of where you were yesterday. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more bookkeeping tips. Thanks, and see you next time.